Brazil is located in South America, covering a large portion of the continent. It is bordered by 10 countries: Uruguay to the south, Argentina and Paraguay to the southwest, Bolivia and Peru to the west, Colombia to the northwest, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana to the north. Brazil has a vast coastline along the Atlantic Ocean to the east, stretching for approximately 7,491 kilometers, 4,655 miles. The country's geographical coordinates range from approximately 5.25 degrees south latitude to 33.75 degrees south latitude and from 34.8 degrees west longitude to 73.98 degrees west longitude. Economy. Brazil has the largest economy in South America and is classified as an emerging market. It has a mixed economy with a diverse range of sectors, including agriculture, industry, and services. The country is known for its agricultural products such as coffee, soybeans, sugarcane, and beef, which contribute significantly to its export earnings. Brazil is also a major player in the industrial sector, particularly in areas such as automobile manufacturing, steel production, and petrochemicals. The services sector, including finance, telecommunications, and tourism, has been growing steadily in recent years. However, Brazil faces challenges such as income inequality, corruption, and a complex tax system. The country has been working towards economic reforms and attracting foreign investment to stimulate growth and address these issues. Education. Brazil has made significant progress in expanding access to education, particularly at the primary and secondary levels. The country has a compulsory education system that includes 9 years of basic education, fundamental education, and 3 years of high school, secondary education. However, despite improvements, there are still challenges in the education system. Quality varies across regions, with disparities between urban and rural areas. The literacy rate is relatively high, but there is room for improvement in terms of educational outcomes and skills development. Brazil has a number of universities and higher education institutions that offer a wide range of programs. The country is recognized for its strong scientific research and has produced notable contributions in various fields. History. Brazil's history is marked by a diverse range of influences, including indigenous cultures, Portuguese colonization, African slavery, and immigration from various parts of the world. Portuguese explorers arrived in Brazil in the early 16th century and established colonies along the coast. The country remained under Portuguese rule for over 3 centuries until it gained independence in 1822. Following independence, Brazil experienced periods of political instability, including the transition from a monarchy to a republic in 1889. The early 20th century saw significant industrialization and urbanization, accompanied by social and political changes. In the mid-20th century, Brazil went through a period of military dictatorship from 1964 to 1985. During this time, civil liberties were curtailed, and political opposition was suppressed. The return to democracy in 1985 marked a new phase for Brazil, with subsequent periods of economic growth and democratic governance. In conclusion, Brazil is a country located in South America with a diverse economy, a developing education system, and a rich history. Its economy is the largest in South America and is driven by sectors such as agriculture, industry, and services. Brazil has made progress in expanding access to education, but challenges remain in terms of quality and educational outcomes. The country's history encompasses Portuguese colonization, independence, periods of political instability, and a transition to democracy. Brazil's location is in South America, with a vast coastline along the Atlantic Ocean and borders with 10 neighboring countries. Overall, Brazil is a vibrant nation with a unique cultural heritage and a prominent role on the global stage. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you found the content informative and entertaining. Creating content for this channel has been a passion of mine, and I appreciate all of your support and engagement. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment or send me a message. I am always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to my audience. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and I hope this channel has inspired you to continue your quest for knowledge. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.